Welcome back to Aspen Cooking, my friends. Today is another day when we're baking bread. This one is an incredibly simple recipe of an artisan bread. And to make this bread, we'll be using a Dutch oven that will sit inside our regular oven. Very few ingredients and a little bit of patience, and the results are incredible. Hopefully you can hear this. I'll show you how to do this. We'll sift some flour. We have 300 milliliters or just over 10 ounces of water. Salt goes right in. A teaspoon or so of ready yeast that goes in and mix it well. Let's continue making the star of the show. Going to add our mixture, all of it. Make sure there's nothing left. Now we're going to mix it. Here's the end result. Here's what we have. It is a little bit runny. Now we're going to cover it with saran wrap, and we're going to put it in a warm place for 6 hours to let it mature. Warm place for 6 hours, and then right after we'll put it in the fridge.
My friends, 6 hours have passed and we're sending our dough into the fridge for another 12. If you think this is taking too long to prep the bread for baking, check out my ciabatta video. It's much faster. I'll leave the link somewhere here, there. Anyways, yeah, here. We'll see you in 12. Hours later, it's time to let this bread warm up, or dough, sorry, not quite bread yet, for 1 hour, and then we'll bake it.
Guys, our dough, our Dutch oven. I'm going to leave the links in the description for everything that I'm using in here. Guys, after the fridge, we will transfer our dough into the towel, but prior to that, we'll have to sift some flour right on top of the towel itself. And at that point, again, wet your hands and make the transfer happen. After that simple manipulation is complete, we will try to knead the dough and basically with, again, moist hands, fold the dough kind of underneath itself, giving it a nice shape, because the shape you will give the dough now, and that is the shape your bread will come out to be. Yep, and that's the result. After 2 hours, what we are going to do is we will set the temperature to 480 degrees in the oven itself, and put our Dutch oven inside. So basically what you're looking for is a preheated oven with a preheated Dutch oven on the inside. After preheat process is complete, guys, be very careful managing and handling your Dutch oven. Remove the lid, uncover the dough, wet your hands a little bit, and make the transfer happen so dough goes directly into the oven itself. Again, remember, super hot, so I'm being very careful because I'm just afraid that I'm going to burn myself. I'm trying not to. And once that's done, grab a knife, and it is a perfect time to make a fairly large cross incision happen on the top of the dough. At this time, lower the temperature on your oven down to 445 degrees and bake your bread for 30 minutes.
30 minutes have passed. Now we're going to remove the lid. Let's have a look. What do we have here? Now the lid is being removed. Oh yeah, do you guys see that bread? You guys see that color? You guys, See that? See that? See that? See the movement? See that cross? Artisan bread. Okay, so 15 to 20 minutes more with no lid. And you will be able to tell when the bread is ready because you will have this golden, beautiful golden color. You guys want to see this color? You want to see the color of the bread? Ah, amazing. And with the towel, very careful. We're going to transfer this baby. Man, for a beginning baker like me, this is pretty stellar result. Look at it. Look at it. It's very hot, so I'm going to let it cool off a little bit and then we will cut it and we'll show you what inside looks like. Guys, with this artisan bread, we will use some of this incredible oil that is used for pasta, pizza, and bruschetta. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. We'll let our bread cool off, and now it is time to give the first cut. Let's have a look. Do you guys hear this? Ooh. You guys see this? Ooh. I'm gonna cut myself a tiny piece. I really don't want, you know, a whole bunch. Let's make it beautiful. Let's make it delicious. Let's make it tasty. That smell and a taste of fresh bread and this delicious oil. Oh my god. It is a must-try recipe for how simple it is. So easy to make with a little bit of patience, and the results are so rewarding. Oh man. Guys, if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have tried this or there's some improvement that you want to recommend. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.